Hello, I'm Lenny from Lifestyle Mobility. Today we're going to be showing you the JBH super light carbon folding scooter. Come take a look. As you can see, this is really lovely lightweight carbon fibre. It only weighs 19 kilograms. What we're going to do next is show you how to unfold it in 3 easy steps. First one is to push forwards on the red lever. Second is to push out on the steering. And third is to pivot on the seat. It's as easy as that. Folding is just as easy. All you have to do is reverse those steps before. Push on the red lever. Pivot on the seat and push in with the steering. Lovely carbon fibre bodywork with a real natural weave going through it. You've then got our lithium batteries, lovely and lightweight, both aircraft safe. We're then greeted with this lovely 6-inch front caster with a nice soft but solid rubber compound. Next we're going to look at the dash. So as you can see with our lovely LCD screen here, it's all backlit so you can see it in the sun. We have our mileage indicator here with our battery. We've got the speed that we're travelling and we've got our trip. We've then got these lovely delta bars, so it allows you to hold down low and to operate the scooter and hold up top. So if you do have arthritis in your hands, you can choose what's more comfortable. We've also got our speed select here and a horn. Now let's check out how this scooter performs. And there you have it, the JBH super light carbon folding scooter. If you want to see more of this, please check out our website or come into one of our stores.
Lifestyle and Mobility, your local mobility specialist.